Hi everyone and welcome to another video from Danka Praktik. In this short video we're going to show you a simple way to fix a loose pan or pot handle. So stay tuned.
Danka Praktik.
A loose pan handle is not only annoying but is also somewhat dangerous, mainly because the handle can fall off while you're cooking. The pan or pot may be full of hot or boiling water, oil or food, and if it spills it can cause a serious accident. Despite this, seldom is the repair done immediately. One of the most common reasons for delaying the repair is not having the proper tools at hand in the kitchen. The most common ways that the handles are held to the pan are with screws or rivets. If you have screws holding the handle, you can use a simple, smaller spoon to tighten it. Yes, you can also use a screwdriver, but the spoon is more likely at hand in the kitchen, so it's more convenient. So find the smaller spoon and use the rear side, the bottom of the spoon handle, and use it as a sort of screwdriver. Just insert the rear side into the screw and turn until you feel it's properly tightened. If you have two handles on the pan or pot, check the other handle just in case. But if you have rivets holding the pan handle, you're going to need a hammer and a firm surface. The point of the repair is to hammer the rivet and in this way tighten the handle. The best surface for hammering would be a vise or some metal surface, but you can also use a thicker cutting board like in this case. Whatever you choose, make sure that only the rivet is on the hitting surface so you don't accidentally damage other parts of the pan when hammering. Just hit the rivet a couple of times and that should be enough. Repeat the same for all the rivets. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.